Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in USAA online banking. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So here, as we are using a desktop, we need to select any of our web browser according to our preference. Once we select a web browser, all we need to do is type in the URL, which is www.usaa.com. Once you do so, you will end up in the login interface. So as you are in its login interface, all you need to do is click on the log on button. After pressing the log on button, you will now be redirected to its log on phase. Now the thing you need to do is enter your online ID. So after you are done entering your online ID, all you need to do is press on the next button and it will ask you for your password. So after filling the online ID, now it's time to fill in the passwords. So once both credentials are filled, you need to press on next and you are all done. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.